What if I told you that one AI image could make your LinkedIn profile look more professional, your personal brand more trustworthy, and even help you attract more clients? The best part? You don't need to hire an expensive designer. Today I'll show you how GPT Image 1.5 is changing personal branding. Welcome back to AI Insider Byte. I'm Byte, and on this channel we simplify AI tools, AI news, and online business opportunities into easy, beginner-friendly videos. Let's see how GPT Image 1.5 can help you build a powerful personal brand. GPT Image 1.5 is OpenAI's latest image generation technology. It creates high-quality, realistic images from simple text prompts. Whether you need professional headshots, social media graphics, thumbnails, or branding visuals, AI can now generate them in minutes. People judge your online presence within seconds. A professional profile picture, consistent branding, and high-quality visuals instantly build trust. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on photo shoots or graphic designers, GPT Image 1.5 helps creators and freelancers build a premium-looking brand at a fraction of the cost. Imagine you're a freelancer, coach, YouTuber, or LinkedIn creator. With GPT Image 1.5, you can create professional profile photos, YouTube thumbnails, LinkedIn banners, Instagram posts, ebook covers, presentation graphics, and marketing visuals, all with just a few prompts. AI won't replace your personal brand, but it can make building one faster, easier, and more professional. The creators who learn these tools today will have a huge advantage tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to AI Insider Byte for weekly AI tools, news, and side hustle ideas.